And in B2, we see the way we might want to see Donna O'Brien's name. Just the O and the B capitalized and O'Brien and the D in Donna. And we certainly don't want to retype this. There's a great function for this, simple and easy to use, equal proper. Proper will capitalize the first letter of the entry as well as any letter that follows a space or any punctuation. So the B that follows the O actually follows an apostrophe. It's going to be capitalized. And we're simply looking at the data here, and the D will be capitalized. And fast and easy, what else do you need? Copy this down the column. Occasionally I get a question when I'm teaching this in a live session. Anything we can do here with McDonald? Is there a way to make that D capitalized? Certainly no easy direct way, and you might imagine somewhere down the road in the future that maybe there will be a way to do this. It does work here with the apostrophes, but you see what's happening in all other cases. Keep in mind this works for other kinds of situations. If these are book titles, it might be what you want to, but it will be capitalizing all those THEs and the A's and the ANs and so on. You will have to adjust those manually, but there's no question this is a fast and easy choice here. And in column F, you might want to do not only an adjustment here, but also pulling these together. And it's just a reminder that sometimes knowing different capabilities with text strings allow us to do this. So a quick adjustment here might be, let's use proper here, along with the ability to pull together, for example, Baker, which is coming out of E2, and then after that, double quote, comma, space, and mark, and that's all we need there. So we're pulling together the names from different locations as well as using the proper function here to make only the significant letters be capitalized. There are other times when you got letters in lowercase the way we see them in column H, and we want to make the letters here at uppercase. So the function, of course, is called upper. It does nothing with the numbers that are in there, nothing it can do with those. It simply checks the text entries and makes them uppercase. So here we've got upper, all the text entries here become uppercase. If for whatever reason you have data like this, and you did want those letters to be lowercase, you would use this function. And I just can't think of a very good example of when I would ever use lower, and I can't think I've ever used it except just to prove an example. So that's lower, looking at the data in column A. So fast and easy and a quick adjustment in all these situations where you're using these functions to adjust. The follow-up step most of the time is to say, okay, I would like to keep this data and throw away the original. And a very fast way to do this is simply to take the results by way of these functions and with the right mouse button, drag them on top of the old data as we might do here. Drag it on top of the old data with the right mouse button and from the pop-up menu, copy here as a values only. Then we could just get rid of this and we're all set. And sometimes you'll do that to itself. Like in this case here, put a new title up there, or perhaps take this data and simply with the right mouse button, copy it up or down, left or right, but bring it right back on top of itself. Let go. Copy here as values only. The formulas are all gone. The results are left. Get rid of this. We don't need that anymore. So fast, easy techniques for adjusting upper and lowercase using the three functions proper, upper, and lower.